In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze accounts on Trainerize. This walkthrough is designed for the web version of Trainerize since freezing isn't supported on the mobile app. So start at your computer, open your browser, and log in at app.trainerize.com using your coach account. Once you're signed in, you'll be working from the main dashboard on the left-hand side menu. From there, click Clients. This takes you to your full roster. Find and open the profile of the client you want to freeze. If your list is long, using the search bar at the top can save time. When the profile opens, you'll land on the client's dashboard, which shows their activity and settings. In the top right corner of that dashboard, click the three dots, the menu with the stacked dots. That opens a drop-down with additional options specific to the client. The exact wording you see can vary by account or version, but you're looking for the option that controls access. It may read Pause Client, Freeze Account, or Suspend Access. Select that option to move into the freeze setup. You'll now set the freeze details. First, choose a start date. You can begin the freeze today or schedule it for a future date if the client wants to finish out the current week. Next, choose an end date if you want the freeze to lift automatically. If you're unsure how long the pause should last, pick No End Date to freeze indefinitely, and you can unfreeze manually later. There's also a field to add a reason, which is optional but helpful for your records, especially if you manage many clients or need to report on account statuses. When everything looks correct, confirm the freeze by clicking the action button you see. This may say Pause Client, Freeze Access, or Save. Once confirmed, the client will immediately lose access to the app, stop receiving workouts or messages within Trainerize, and remain in your system with all progress and programs preserved. Nothing is deleted, it's simply on hold. If the client's payments are handled through Trainerize Pay, their billing cycle is automatically paused during the freeze. They won't be charged while frozen, and billing will resume when you unfreeze them. If you handle payments outside of Trainerize, make sure your external billing matches this change. When you're ready to bring the client back, go to their profile again, click the three dots, and choose Unpause, Reactivate, or Unfreeze, then confirm. Access is restored right away, and everything picks up where it left off.